Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your daily energies, Aries, we are picking few cards. So these are the cards, guys. Today I have an oracle guidance coming up at the end of this daily energy, guys. So, if you want more clarity in your situation, if you have any confusion, some doubts about something, you can watch that, guys, that reading. So, that may give you some clarity. So, for your daily reading, guys, I have Alchemist of Spheres in reverse, Ten of Stars in reverse, and Seven of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, you are facing some difficult situation because someone is blocking your vision or blocking your path. So they are simply working against you. They may be jealous or they may have some kind of anger or resentments towards you. So they don't want you to move forward in life, develop, or become successful. So they are obstructing your path, trying every way possible for them to make things go against you. So they are trying their best to put obstacles in your path. It may be someone in your career, they are dead against you. They just want you to feel embarrassed and feel doubts about yourself, lose your faith in yourself, and they just want you to face embarrassments, feel anxious, worry in your situation, guys. So some maybe if you know, if you have doubts on someone, guys, in your work situation, or it may be this person you are in relationship with, or someone obstructing your connection with this person, someone trying to separate you both. So if you know who it is, or if you have a vague idea who it will be, you please stay careful, guys, Aries, with that person. But I also see that things are slowly improving in your situation, maybe in your career or in this relationship. If the situation is in your relationship, maybe this person is moving away from your life. So no more problems for you. There is a temporary change coming up in your situation. But it is a temporary change, guys. You have to make use of this change coming your way. Make use of it to benefit you in the maximum way. So grab that opportunity coming in your situation, guys, maybe in your career or it may be in your life with this person. So something is coming to mend your relationship or help you in your connection. So you can make use of that, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your general guidance, guys, today I have two cards. It's going to be like a pick a card. So these cards, it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys, and it is a general guidance, so it may or may not relate. But the meaning of this guidance card is that maybe in your situation you may have some questions about your circumstances, about the people. So it may give you some clarity, some understanding to make things go in a better way in your day-to-day life, guys. So that is the use of this reading, this guidance. So that is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So, after a few seconds of silence, I will start with the first card, guys. So, let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So, this is your first card, and the card says Al Uzza, Star of Venus. So, this is a Rumi card, guys. It's based on poet Rumi's oracle. So, it's based on his poetry. So, we will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry. Close your eyes to see and become aware of me. Perceive me with eyes that see the unseen. Come into the mystery to find me. I am a carefree visitor here for you. Rumi. So that is the poetry, the few lines with this card, guys. So this card stands for that mighty blessing based on love, and with great blessings great growth is possible. That is the energy with this card, guys. So in your situation today, you have to have that trust in your path, guys. Trust in the way things are going, trust in your own evolution, your own growth. So people around you, they may be reacting differently. You may feel differently within yourself. You may have that satisfaction, peace and balance in your life, but people react with fear or discomfort. But you have to have that trust in their path also, because each and every one of us, we have our own path in life, our own unique path, and we do not need to convince anyone of anything. Our job is to just embrace our wisdom, our freedom, and our empowerment to grow spiritually in our life. So that is the reading, guys. So what we feel is only for us, because all of us are unique in our own way. And we should not feel judgmental about the other person, because they are also on their path of life and their path is unique, and they are also on the way to that great spiritual growth in life. So we need not feel sad or bad about them. So we have to have that acceptance, and we have to have that feeling of confidence to shine truly and shine brightly in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is this card. The second card, it says no place like home. So that just means we have to be authentic to ourselves, guys. It stands for authenticity, feeling comfortable in our own place. So in our career situation or in our relationship, when we are in love and when that love is reciprocated, we feel safe, comfortable, and we feel familiar with that person. So together we add to that love of that relationship. So when we are in sync, full of love, and when we reciprocate each other's love, respect and caring, we feel safe and secure. The same way in your career situation, when you act in that authentic way, when you act true to your heart's desires, your business choices, your investments, whatever you make, it is based on that truth. And you're ready to accept both success and failure because you have made the decision based on that truth. So abundance is there to grab for you, guys. So when you work with that authenticity in your heart, you are going to reach success in your life no matter what. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.